For our campaign, our topic is Save the Mangroves as they are natural heritage. Now, Angel, do you know what mangroves are?
No.
Even if you don't, I just want to say that they are very important.
Really? Why?
Good question. How about we ask the others?
Okay. Come on, let's go.
When you hear the word mangroves, what do you think it is?
Mangoes?
No. Mangroves are specialized marine ecosystem consisting of a group of plants growing in muddy, loose, and wet soils in tropical and subtropical areas.
So, do you mean they are trees in waters?
Well, yes, but no. The term mangroves refers to the different kinds of salt-tolerant trees, which may be found in mangrove swamp.
We'll now explain the mangrove swamp's importance. Here is a picture of an example. They're very important because they provide food of some of the sea creatures.
How exactly?
Well, whenever the mangrove trees shed leaves, they are broken down by bacteria and fungi, which they release in the water, providing food for the seabed. They are also nesting grounds for different kinds of animals like
mammals, amphibians, reptiles, big plants, tubular fish, and invertebrates, and spiders.
Barnacles, oysters, mussels, crabs, shrimps, water birds like the great white heron, reddish egrets, and roseate spoonbills, and many more.
The mangroves acts as natural nursery ground since the fishes lay their eggs in the roots of mangrove tree and will later hatch and grow.
Mangroves protect the coast against erosion due to wind, waves, water currents, and protects coral reefs, seagrass bed, and shipping lanes against siltation.
Yes, and they also purify the water by absorbing harmful heavy metals and help us to breathe clean air by absorbing pollutants in the air.
Well, that was the importance of mangroves. How about the disadvantages?
some of the disadvantages are since the mangroves are all around the beaches, fishing is not allowed because the fishing groups clear out the mangrove roots. It also requires the cooperation of the public.
Yes, and thank you, Casey. Well, as we move on, there are common mangrove species like
Red mangroves, black mangroves, and white mangroves.
rainbows. No, Casey, there are no rainbows.
Mangroves are destroyed by man-made activities, which lessens them. So shall we take a brief look at what they are?
One is urbanization. In some areas, coastal mangroves have been cleared for human habitation.
Agriculture. 100 years ago, between India and Bangladesh, mangroves were destroyed because of agricultural purposes.
Aquaculture practices. Mangroves were lost because of pond construction.
Cutting for timber, fuel, and charcoal. Mangrove trees were used for the tree and as firewood.
Prevention of freshwater flow and tidal flow. Mangroves are dying due to hypersalinity, when the siltation at the river mouths restricts the inflow of tidal water in mangrove swamps.
Oil pollution, oil exploration, petroleum production, and accidents by large oil tankers cause significant damage to mangrove ecosystem issues.
Mangrove habitats serve as a dumping ground for salt waste.
War problems. A long time ago, mangrove forests got destroyed because of the Vietnam War.
Mining operations. The vicinity of mangrove belts were mined for tea.
Mangrove serves as a critical nursery for young marine life, and it plays an important role in the health of the fishes and the people too. This ecosystem is also considered as most productive by providing significant functions in the coastal zones as buffer against erosion, storm surge, and tsunamis. There are ways on how we can protect them. 1. We should not throw our trash on mangrove areas, and it should not be used as a dump site. 2. Roads should not be built through mangrove areas because it prevents the flow of the freshwater runoff. 3. They should be kept clear of pollution such as chemical, oil, and sewage. And there are many more.
So, let's all help one another to protect this ecosystem because it is one of the beautiful wonders that is given to us. And the least that we could do is to preserve it, save it, and take care of it.
And always remember that
Green all the way, plant mangrove trees every day.